On this video, we're going to slip stitch, chain, single crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet. So we'll start like we usually do with a slip knot, and we will chain 10, getting my yarn situated. 1, 2, 3, nice and easy. 4, 5, loose so that you can crochet into these chains. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the needle, going through both the top. Yarn over, pull through for 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. It makes it so much easier when you're loose with your chain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You'll notice with the 9, we only have 9 on here. Don't forget we skipped one over here in order to chain in the second stitch from the needle. So that makes 9. I'm going to go ahead, it just makes it easier if you chain 1 on the sides. Notice how that so far it's nice and even on the sides. And since I'm going to do a double crochet next, I'm going to chain 2, and I'll turn it. With the double crochet, remember you yarn over first, then you go through that. It's 1, 2, 3 stitches from the needle, but in a pattern it wouldn't say that. It would just say 2 crochet in the first. So I yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over again, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. I'm going to do that again for the next stitch. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and so with the double crochet I'm going to have 3 loops on my needle. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You'll see as I do the same thing for the third stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and 3 loops. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and through 2. So you want to crochet loose, but not too loose. You want it tight enough to look uniform. And go through to the last stitch. Let me count how many stitches I have on here. You really want to keep, if you're crocheting like I want to crochet a scarf, this This would be a really thin scarf maybe for a child. But I'm going to crochet a scarf today, and I want the sides to line up. So let me see here. Remember, this is your 2 chains. So we'll count that and see how many stitches we have, including the chain 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that added a stitch here. That's interesting to remember. If you want to keep with the 9, you want to count that as a stitch. Remember, you can count them by pulling the stitches apart. You can also count them by just looking at these little loops on the top. So what I wanted to show you is the single crochet, the double crochet. Now I'm going to do triple. Because I'm going to do triple, I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. I'm going to turn my project over, and I'm going to yarn over twice, once, twice. So I start, before I go through the stitch, I start with 3 on. Remember, we saw that added a stitch when we went ahead and started right here. So instead of the stitch after the chains, I'm going to go to the next one. So I remember I've yarned over twice. I'm going to go through the stitch. I'm going to yarn over, pull through, and now I have 4 loops on my needle. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's your triple crochet. I'm going to do that again. Yarn over, go through. Oh, I was going to do a double crochet. That's really what I'm used to. Triple crochet, I have to think about. 1, 2, go through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you see you do that 3 times, and so triple crochet. And again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, go through the stitch, pick up your 3rd, really a 4th, but your 3rd, yarn over through 2, through 2, through 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It just gets to be a rhythm. Right? It's one of the reasons I like crochet. It gets to be a rhythm, a pattern. You can just kind of get the feel for. Get the feel for when you want to pull a little bit more yarn off your skein. 2, through here, pull through 1, 2, and 3. And that should make 10 altogether, because remember we added a stitch down here. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, so where did I miss one? I think I need to do this one more here if I want to have the 10. This one's a tough one because it's at the top of my chains. So again, you want to chain loose, but not too loose. Always like everything, it seems like in life, a little bit of give and take. And I didn't do my triple crochet, so I'm going to undo my double crochet. 1, 2, go through that top of the chain there. I have to wiggle it through, pull through 4 loops on my needle again. 1, 2, and 3. You can, if you look, you can see the difference between the single crochet, the double crochet, and the triple crochet. This is really faster once you get the hang of it, just because each time you crochet a row, it's 3 times what your single crochet is.